Bendy babes, what's up? Welcome to the Kendy Jane Beauty channel. We're going to look at some Boxycharm sneak peeks. Yes, I came across these sneak peeks about a month ago in a quiz I did, and some of them you may be a little shocked with. I'm not sure if we'll see all these in a box, but possibility is that we will see some of these in a box. So anytime you come across any kind of sneak peeks like this, you get a quiz, please screenshot it and send it to me. I'd love to do a video on it. So please remember to hit that subscribe button. Half of my YouTubers that watch my videos are not subscribed, so I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And also, at the end of the video, if you like it, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's begin. This first item is called the Perfect VW Serum. It costs $54, and this is the perfect beauty serum for the perfect V. It will rejuvenate, revitalize. If you're prone to getting ingrown hairs or red bumps in your bikini area when you shave, this is the cream for you. It will also help tighten and tone the skin in this delicate area. It will give this area a youthful appearance by using anti-inflammatory ingredients and vitamins A and E, and this will help signs of aging. I think we've seen this in other boxes before, but never before in Boxy, so this should be interesting. The next item is from Carlie. It's the CBD Body Calm Cream, and this sells for $40. It's a coconut and CBD cream. It's a lightweight, non-greasy vegan cream that works like a dream to soothe and hydrate all over and calm the mood while conquering hydrated skin. It can be used wherever you shave. There's no chance of getting you high with this cream. It does not have the actual hallucinogenic ingredients. All the CBD oil they use is grown in the USA. Our next item is the Perfect VW Beauty Mist. This sells for $25. This was designed with the bikini area in mind. This pH balanced mist hydrates, refreshes, and soothes the intimate skin wherever you need it. The rose water neutralizes any odor with a light fresh scent and leaves skin feeling soft to the touch. This will also calm any inflammation caused by hair removal, like shaving or waxing, making a woman feel comfortable, carefree, and confident. And it's also dermatologist tested. I think these products are not something we would go out and buy for ourselves, but maybe in a box you would try it. This next item is called the Skin Gem Rose Quartz Eye Flowey. It sells for $40, and this is a massage tool crafted from rose quartz for a soothing, cooling effect on the eyes. It helps with puffy eyes, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps products absorb better into the skin. The next item is called Skin Gem Skin Comp Hydrogel Rosy Hearts Eye Mask. You would get a set of 5. This is infused with collagen, hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and caffeine. And I figure they sell them $4.50 a piece, so you're getting about $22.50 worth of these under eye masks. The next item is from Malin and Goats. It's the eucalyptus deodorant. This is like a high-end deodorant that sells for $22, and it's natural. This is the #1 best-selling product for 10 years for Malin and Goats. It's a natural deodorant without aluminum, alcohol, or parabens, allowing the body to function normally. Now, everybody knows that normal deodorant has aluminum, parabens, all these nasty things, and they clog up your sweat glands so you don't sweat normally. But if you're like me, I've tried natural deodorants, and it takes like a period to adjust before it starts working. Now, I'm not sure about this one because $22 is kind of pricey. If I were to get this in a box, I would definitely try it, but I don't know if I could afford to keep using it at $22. This next item I couldn't find online is the Hallmarked Collectibles Makeup Case, and I've enlarged the picture. This sells for $45. I would love to get a makeup case in a box, but how would they logistically send this type case in a box? So I don't know if we'll be seeing this anytime soon. The next item is Clean Skin Clean Towels, a 50-pack for $20. This is the #1 biodegradable and disposable face towel. It's extra absorbent for removing makeup, chemical-free, organic, and unscented, and extremely soft. Now, when I looked up this item, right now you cannot get these towels because all the material they get is going to make mask right now. So I don't even know if we'll see anything like this. It looks like a good item though. You don't have, it's not like a makeup wipe because it's not preloaded with wetness. It's dry and you use your own makeup remover and then you can just chunk them in the trash. The next item is the Cuchillo Somatology Calm and Clean Lavender Hand and Body Wash. This sells for $39. This is a new shower cleansing body and hand wash made to calm the senses. It's infused with relaxing lavender oil. It also includes detoxifying and anti-inflammatory Epsom salt. It hydrates with shea butter and provitamin B5. And it also includes calming lavender. The next item is from the Good Patch Get Balanced Set, and this sells for $30. This is a set of 12 patches, 4 each. These are infused with caffeine. Okay, there's 3 different sets in this balance set. The first one is the B12 Awake set. It's infused with caffeine, B12, and green tea extract to power you through the afternoon slump. Then you get 4 Dream Patches. These patches are infused with 10 milligrams of melatonin along with hops and valerian root to give you quality sleep you have been wanting. The last 4 patches are the Rescue Patches. It's infused with B1 and B complex and green tea extract to balance back from a night out. So you get a total of 12 different patches that sell for $30, and this gives you different effects. You use them for different things. The next item is from Allure Essentials. It's the Glam Facial Cupping Kit for $30. If they're saying if you use 5 minutes a day for 2 to 3 times a week for 2 weeks, you will see a difference. Face cupping massage helps tone, lift, define facial contours, helps with redness, puffiness, and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And also those deeper wrinkles like laugh lines, crow's feet, and the 11 lines. You can also give yourself a natural brow lift with cupping. It helps relieve tired eyes, reduce under eye bags and puffiness, dark circles. It'll naturally enhance and volumize lips. So I think I have a set of cups I've never tried yet that I'm interested in trying after reading about these. So I'll let you know how that works on my skin. So these are possibly some new things you'll be seeing in Boxy. The only thing I can say, when I did this quiz, I didn't really like it because I didn't know what the items were. They just give you the titles, and if you don't research it, you really don't have time to get in and start researching each one of these. Maybe I should have tried, but I was guessing at what they were, and I surely didn't know what they were, some of them. So I don't know how other people feel when they do these types of quizzes, but some of these products I would definitely love to see in upcoming boxes. And like I said, if you get any of these quizzes, and you please screenshot them for me, that way I can give them and send them to the rest of us so we can see what we can possibly get in an upcoming box. Thank you for watching. Remember, we got our giveaway going on right now. Our 2 palettes, the Carlie Bybel palette and the Urban Decay Reloaded palette. 2 lucky winners will win these this month. I also am giving away a Boxycharm base box for April. I'll list that video up above if you'd like to watch it and possibly win this box. And I'll have the link you can click on to see how to win the other 2 items. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. And if anybody is interested in subscribing to Boxy, I have the link down below. Remember, guys, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a smile on your face. Love you, and see you next video. Take care, my babies. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.